going to be showing you how I do my day-to-day makeup, my simple makeup. For your information, I'm not a professional, so this is how I do my own makeup, simple makeup. So before we start, make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe to this channel, please. I'm new here, I need subscribers. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Let's start. So guys, I am using a makeup kit that I got from Anna's Cosmetic. The products are really nice and it's good for beginners. So I'm just going to be putting Instagram handle on this video, and you can just go and check her out. So first of all, I'm using a wipe to just wipe off the dirt from my face. Then I'll be going in with a primer. You always have to start your makeup with a primer. It makes it last and just give it that smooth feel. So you just put your primer on your face, and I'm using my hand to rub the primer. Don't forget to rub your neck. Your neck is also important, so just rub it on your face and on your neck. Then I'll be going in with a setting spray. I always like spraying my face with a setting spray just to make the makeup last longer. Then once it's dry, it's time to put on your foundation. I love this foundation. It just blends so easily on my face. Gotten from Anna's Cosmetic. So you just blend and blend and blend. Make sure you blend it very well. You can see how the foundation is blending on my face. Blending is very important, so make sure you blend your face very well, including your neck. Then I'll be going in with concealer, and you're going to be putting this concealer under your eyes, your nose, your forehead. Then you're just going to blend it out. This concealer also blends so easy. So after blending it out, these makeup brushes are from Anna's Cosmetic, and it also comes with the makeup kit. So I'm going to be using a lighter powder on where I put the concealer, and you're just going to put it there. Then next, you're going to be using a darker powder to contour your face. So you're going to be putting it on your cheekbone. Just watch how I did it. Don't forget to blend. Once you put it on your cheekbone, blend it out. And you're just going to blend it upwards. Remember, we're going for a simple look, so you don't want anything too much. You just want it simple and light, not an heavy makeup. So you blend it and put it on your forehead and on your cheekbone. So next, we're going to be contouring the nose, and you just basically use the same shade that you use on your cheekbone and just contour the nose the way I'm doing it. And my nose is already looking pointy. So now it's time to bake. and you just bake under your eyes, your forehead, and where you put the bright concealer. So now it's time for eyebrow. So my eyebrow is looking kind of rough, but there's no time to shaping it, so we're just going to draw our eyebrow like that. So just watch how I did it. I'm not really perfect when it comes to eyebrow, but I know I'm trying. So yeah, just watch how I did my eyebrow, and you're just going to do the same thing for the other eyebrow, and just try and make sure the two look the same. Just try and make sure they look the same, at least close. Then you brush it out, and you're going to be using a concealer to shape it very well and give it that nice look. So you are going to be using a flat brush, and you are going to shape it down. Then you blend it out, and the brow is already looking so fine already. I'm not over through with it. Now I'm going to be using a dark concealer on top of the brow, so shaping the top of the brow. See how it's looking. I'm just feeling myself here. I'm already looking this beautiful, and I'm not over through. Now we're going to go for the eyeshadow from Anna's Cosmetic. I love these colors. I love. So we're going to be going in with nude color, going for something simple. Yes, nude color is perfect. And you just put the nude color on your eye and blend it out. Now we're going to be removing the setting powder from your face, dusting it out. You just have to trust the process. Now we're going in with a mascara. We're not going to be doing eyelash, so you're going in with a mascara to make the lashes full. I'm using Anna's face powder to blend my face. Blend it. Don't forget to blend your neck. You can see how my face is already looking. Now I'm going to bring out the lashes at the down of my eye with a mascara. Just gives this nice look. So if you have hair at the down of your lash, at the down of your eye, if you have lashes, just always use a mascara to bring it out. It gives this nice look. So next we're going to use a pencil to draw the lip. So just watch how I did it. Then you're going to be using a gloss to blend it. So we're going to be using the eyeshadow red color as blush, and you're just going to take a little. Remember, we're going for a simple look, so just a little blush is enough. We don't want it much. We are going for natural makeup look. So you just put it on your cheekbone and blend it out. You can see how this makeup is looking. It's giving. The makeup is giving. Now when you are done, you put the setting spray